my name is Ilian, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about briefing and debriefing, essential steps of adventure education, how to prepare for it, how to understand it, and what actually briefing and debriefing can lead to. So let's check it out. So the main aim of briefing is to provide participants with the needed information for the task. The facilitator can create a story that actually has the key information for it. Another aim of briefing is to create exciting and adventurous environment for the participants, and also to have connections between their previous experiences in their daily life and the upcoming task. Let's see how to do briefing. First of all, you have to give clear and understandable information to the participants before the task begins. You have to write them down if necessary in order to avoid misunderstandings. Second of all, you can establish goals, objectives of the task that they are going to do, and to have a set of rules that can help for the safety of the participants. You can actually give the possible risks some information about it, but not to discourage the participants to take part in the task. And you should always include a part where the participants can ask for questions and clarifications. For example, if the rules were not obeyed, please make space in the briefing for that and highlight it once more in order to avoid the upcoming misunderstandings. Now that you know what briefing is and the game has already ended, what comes next? Debriefing, of course. Debriefing is the part when people that participated in the game understand what they have gained from it, what new skills they have discovered, and what previous skills they have improved during it. An essential role of the facilitator during debriefing is to actually create an atmosphere that encourages participants to share their thoughts and actively listen. Another role is for the facilitator not to be judgmental, not to take sides, and to respect different points of view. The participants should realize what they have gained through the debriefing, and also do not let them to answer by simply saying yes or no. Just ask the right questions in the right time. Now that you know what briefing and debriefing are, you can have group discussions during your trainings in order to help your participants to understand in depth these concepts. Materials that you might need are flip chart paper sheets and markers. The time that you need for the discussion is around 15 or 20 minutes. Step by step, the instructions are given, such as divide participants into 4 working teams. 2 of the teams will work on briefing and 2 of the teams will work on debriefing. Each team receives a flip chart paper and they must use their creativity to provide answers of the following questions. Team 1. Briefing is. Briefing should include. Team 2. Briefing is not. Briefing should not include. Team 3. Debriefing is. Debriefing should include. And Team 4. Debriefing is not. Debriefing should not include. Once the participants have their presentations ready, invite them to share their ideas. Discussions will follow upon what can be added to each team's presentation or ideas. This is how briefing and debriefing work. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. For more information, don't forget to check out the links below or download our brochure. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, it's adventure time!